Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. And today we got a watch face for you to check out that DW. It's looking pretty good. So stay tuned and let's check this one out. Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. And today we got an awesome watch face to check out by DW. If you have not checked out his lineup in the Gear Manager store, make sure you have a look. It is worth a peek. Now, the name of the watch face is called DW23. Very nice looking watch face in the door. And always on mode, it looks just as good. You're pretty much going to almost get the same look as you would if the watch face is on. Now, once it's on, you greet it to an analog watch face, which looks really, really good. Very unique. You got a second hand that's ticking around the bezel of the watch. You're going to get your day and your date to the right. Also, dead center, you're going to get your battery percentage, and you're also going to get your step. Now, in the background, you got a mesh look that really brings out the info that's dead center. And on top of it, you got some animation that's going on right over here at the top. I thought that was a unique animation for a watch face. Not a bad look at all. And it is interactive. So if I tap right here, I can go in and get my contacts, make a phone call. And if I tap right here, I can get info on my step status, calories burned. At the top, I can get my settings. In the middle, I can set an alarm. So I thought it was pretty slick for a watch face. And you can customize the color. Double tap right here. And you can cycle through the many different colors this watch face has to offer. Just keep watching. We're going to cycle through all of them, give you an idea what you're in for once you download this awesome watch face. Not a bad look, right? I thought that was very unique, very different. All right, you all, I'm going to give this developer 2 thumbs up. He got down on this watch face. Listen, hit me in the comment section below. Of course, we do want to hear your thoughts on this one. Did you like it? Did you not like it? Are you going to download it? Hit me in the comment section down below. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.